Okay, so welcome back to another Forex weekly forecast. And then we are starting with GBP USD. Okay, so on GBP USD, that's what we have on the daily chart. No, price formed the high, then we formed the high, then we formed an equal high. And then here, most people were thinking price was going to sell since it seemed that price was breaking past this point. But price didn't do that. It went all the way to the upside. This is because this wasn't the last higher low which was formed. That will signify that if price break and selling, we are going to be resuming a selling trend. No, this is the actual high. That's if it gets broken, we will be selling to the downside. Why? Because this is the last low which was able to break this high to give us this higher high. As you can see, this low here, this low's high didn't break this high. It formed an equal high. That's why price when it came here, we retested these levels and then went back. This would have been if price had come all the way to this place, broken this zone, then we would have gotten hot in for a sell. So this is what you are looking at. Price has what broken this equal highs, and then you'll be waiting for a retest. Then what? You continue buying all the way to the upside. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. This is what I'll be looking for buying opportunities to this level here. So this setup will become invalid when, you know, price uses this resistance here, this mini resistance here to push the market up. Then you wait for the retest here and then what? You buy it to the upside. So let's look at gold. Gold too, I'm looking at the same thing here. This was what? The last high which was broken. If you guys watched the forex strategy that I showed you guys before, go and watch. I made a part 1 and a part 2. Those videos come before this one, so you can go and watch them to understand the reason why I drew this green line here. Let me go to the 2 hour to even simplify it. Yes, so it's this level here. Yes. See, we've already wigged into it here. So I'm expecting price may even come down for a deeper retest before we move to the upside like this. And if that fails to happen too, we can find trade setup here for a buy. When not, you get a change of characters, then we bow to the all the way to the upside. And also, if price comes this to this region and then we see selling pressure here, you get a change of character, and then what we sell. It's all about reacting, never predicting. It's all about reacting. So we'll be waiting for how the price will react to these levels, and then we will get our entry. But for now, my bias on gold is what? To the upside, buying. But I really like if price really comes down to these areas here, and then maybe I'll wait for a break above this zone and then I'll find an entry. The reason why is, as you can see, we had this selling pressure here. So you can't just take buy. We need to get change of characters in order to what? Get in a buying position. Further than GBP USD. Okay. So let's look at USD card. Mm. Okay, on USD card too, you can see price broke beneath this sort of consolidation here. The market was stuck in sideways for a very long time before we went upwards towards grab liquidity or got a fake out here. Then we came back and then what? We are waiting for retest. Then what? We sell. And the reason why this time I'm selling here is because price has broken the last low. It got as the higher high here that broke this level. So you can see that there's a change in trend. So our bias is sales on NZD card. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. The reason why I draw these green lines, if you go to my previous videos, which is 1 and 2, you understand it better. So yeah, go and do that. Go and watch my video right now, the last video that I made during the weekends. Okay, so I'm expecting what? Market to break this level. We come here and then what? We sell. But if price fails to do that too, you find an entry during the change of character to the downside. Okay, so these are just the pairs that I'm looking at this week. Try to see if we can print some money, and then don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe.